Thagatsari Sir Hemchandra ngasi Agastwani Imphanda Sarna matam pinabiduna handaki Niti Ayog Sampurna Abhiyangi Matangda Sarda Wahigra Thambina Baina Hajari.
Thank you, Jaren Mayor, for visiting our office. Tasengna Queen Su, All India Radio, Maikedi Lapiraba, Staff Singbu, Taram Nokchari.
Niti Ayog Sampurnata Abhiyangi KPI gi Sarukma Oriba. Education Department gi indicator percentage of school providing textbook to children within 1 month of start of academic session gi matangda sarna wahigra thambinaba.
Aikoi gi Chandel district si Manipur gi oina aspirational district amatang nairaba amani aspirational district si gi nunggi oiba one thokti aikoi si somewhat in comparison with other district lagging behind in many sectors. Madu limited time amai mangda good governance tawrakanda tongan department ki makhada haiba district se aspirational district ama orambadagi mayamna gi model oiba inspirational district amada thangalaknaba madugi pandamdani India government na changjalaibasi tasengnamak hairabada handakki pibiriba sampurnata abhiyan gi indicator oiriba textbook sitanatana RTE Right to Education 2009 gi makhada aikoi uniform na chingba angang khudingmakki makhoi hairiba RTE gi entitlement si phangadabani haina eksida sumayek sengna yauri madugi mathakta amuk aikoi gi aspirational district ki sampurnata abhiyan gi magi indicator oina 30 September bogida textbook ki distribution timely distribution to the children ashi ki indicator oirakpase masi deisida aikoi gi staff subordinate staff singda thamchana hairiba singse jahona nabagi aisa jauna best level da aikoi honajari tasengnamak aikoi gi Chandel district ta Laiba school si department ki education s ki makhada IT7 aduga tribal welfare gina IT5 aro government aided kina 23 aduga magi chawrakpa enrollment na 6000 above oi from primary to upper primary elementary level boda airiba angang sing sida masigi RTE gi makhada moi phangam thokpa entitlement aspirational district ki su indicator oiriba textbook sigi matangda akoina khudong chadaba challenges natragana difficulties su kharadi maunai ahandada government na department na akoida pibi reiba textbook singse mamangi udais ki madudai data du base dawi adugo whereas enrollment city chahi khudingi oina hengalakpa progress orakpa aduna marak tugi shortage ama aikoi thengnadaba nate adige ani subadamo aikoi gi angang singi admission si right to education ni makhada any time larik tamamdaba angang tu ming change haina lakpa kanda magi admission ni time gi deadline thudokpa leitaba any time angang sing sibu admission toba adaba adudagi de atopa amadana mo handak thoglaiba crisis sida aikoi khitang manu hanjanna leihiba jepi karong block longi school sing madudai tamamba angang singju khara effect toba irang sina maram oiraga neighboring district singda angang sing si shift tawhiba adubu hawjikti angang singdu akoi amuk halaktana makoi gi school da laik tambasu hongnare aduna textbook si akoina state tagi pira matungda akoi coordinators amasung AIDI gi through the headmaster sing gi khuthang na tawakanda anga school da angang sing de johonnaba akoi best level da honajai aduga tawta di state tagi pira iba textbook si shortage lerakpa yawi aduna ngarang nahan tasu ai akoi samaga shiksha gi additional state project director elementary oibiriba certificate ka unara kanda akoi gi shortage oriba lairik ade uniform singdu thubada ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯏꯕ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯜꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯥꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯗु ꯐꯨꯜꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯃꯤꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ AIDIꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯝꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯕꯨꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯣꯝꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯣꯔꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯅꯪꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯐꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯕꯨꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯐꯣꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯄꯦꯁꯤꯑꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ KPIꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯔꯗ ꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯄꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯣꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯚꯔ ꯈꯦꯡꯖꯣꯏꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯄꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯣꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯒꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯦꯡꯖꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯅ꯭ꯌू ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯦꯡꯖꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯈꯪꯕꯥꯔꯣꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯔꯦꯚꯤꯅ꯭ꯌू ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ AIDIꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯏꯖꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ RTꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯥꯏꯇꯜꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯕꯨꯛꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯁꯝꯋꯥꯠ ꯗꯤꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯁꯇꯔ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯄ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ ZEO ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯔ ꯔꯥꯡꯕꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯥꯜ ADP ꯅꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯁꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯀꯥꯁꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯌꯣꯛ ꯁꯝꯄꯨꯔꯅꯇꯥ ꯑꯚꯤꯌꯥꯟꯒꯤ KPIꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ Education Departmentꯒꯤ indicator percentage of school providing textbook to children within 1 month of start of academic session gi matangda sarna wahi khara thambinaba.
Okay, thank you for the time. Aspirational district program se Honorable Prime Minister na haudokpa matamda Chandel district is the only district koi aspirational district program da yaurakpa district amani. Sise leiriba government scheme mayam se service piba matamda even to the remotest area irrespective of blocks leiriba district sida yauhanchira haina sise pandamni aduna education sector gidi maruaina koi ngasigi key performance index indicator sida yaujrebisidi provision of textbooks to school children asigi matang sidani aduna asigi matang sida hauzik phauda akoi gi district ta leiriba government school se 196 school ni asi session February 2024 sida hek haubudagi government sina pirakpa textbook mayam se hauzik phaugi akoi gi district ki data khomgatlaba matungda koina phangiba sidi 100% oina loimak yen thokre adubu luribadi academic session se till 30 September phau sida admission yabanina aduna anytime angang sing se adum enrollment di tawrai asi matam sida marak marakta akoina issue khara thengjaba hairadi school sing sina textbook se late comer singi haib tare moi sidadi ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯤ ꯏꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯇꯨ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯁꯣꯔꯇꯦꯖ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯝꯄꯨꯔꯅꯇꯥ ꯑꯚꯤꯌꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ latest by September sidi all the school children se 100% se fully textbook wat handaningai se khoi sem saraga lei even hujik ki manipur gi situation se leina khoi na su we are trying our level best even to reach to the border areas asi phau se khoi na on time delivery se khoi tawjabni hujik su any issue lakpa tarasu we will be trying our best from our end so that it reaches all the students and they are not devoid of those government facility on time haib tare aduna asigi matang sida akhoi hujik ki achievement phawdi very satisfactory haina idea sum thamjaningi
abhiyan gi KPI gi group ama oriba akhoi gi hujik maru oiba indicator percentage of school providing textbook to children haibadi chhatra sing mahirol singda mahirol khuding makta textbook se thama gi manung sida phanghanba ngamnaba or the coming 30 days da government amasung aided school gi makhada leiriba mahirol singda loinamak yahonba ngamnabagi target achieve tawriba sida hojik phobada kari challenges natraga hardship oiba thingnarakra natraga kari thingnarakani hena khanbibra sarna
hojik phau gi oinadi enrollment gi previous ki enrollment do yengba kanda government na pirakpadu di previous enrollment gi da focus tawe do hojik ki existing ki enrollment da yengba kanda di khidang sai gi chi thaoba natraga satra kharana full subject phanghodba si issue di kharadi lai adu from time to time akhona concerned authority da information di pijai aduga ani subada ngasai gi duni mid session da enrollment tawrapum matamda school na su from their end previous ki moina lyrics na kharaba gumdu leiramadi adu moi provide tawi natraga ekoi office su approach tawrami adu ekoi gi level da gi su kitang adjust tawbi yabi tawi upai lerakta kandina akhona concern authority pikhallaga aduna state na su provide tawngai gi asugum opportunity di lei aduga loinana hauji akhoi gi data se yengba matamda district is 100% ni aina haijari biduni adu 100% se continuity se maintain tawge haibataradi from time to time akhoi nang sai inspecting officials lei si se from time to time akhoi na monitor tawre hairaga moigi award pa aduma yengsilani aduga akhoi na concerned authority da approach tawba yaba haibabu hojikti KPI se laabnina expressional district ki makhada concerned authority na su mid yengsang BA hairaga ek session hawudagi full subject oina shuna on time da si district level yohan butaradi akoina timely concerned school sing sida matam chana yohan gani haibside koi thajaba ai thamjage
school singi authority singdadi hainingba kari advice uma suggestion leiba
concerned school authority sing sida koina hainingdi moina regular moi school management committee meeting guma pangthokpa matamda moi parents sing dasu kanna advice piba ama changi haibdi moi angang sing se lairik tambise phaphatar su government school se under RT makhada free schooling se provide se tawni aduna yari makhai angang se enrollment tawre haraga government gi facility piba yaba maybe from school uniform school textbooks or free midday meal asigumba opportunity lebise moi enjoy tawshunu aduga moi gi award apa haibtar any issue related to their school children school administration any issue problem challenges moi thengna mayam se moi resolution du da adopt tawre haraga asigi moina resolution adopt tawu mayam se concern headmaster natraga principal singduna akhoi gi JD office channel da yohanbiraga adum matungin akhoi gi level da solve tawu yaba tawuni natraga akhoi gi level gi wangma da oiba taraga na akhoi na concern state authority da chesi ikhallaga adum matungin from timely resolve tawrangai gi damakta si hotnamina si habse ai thamjaningi aduga loina na aina thamjaning bisina housing academic session sisu still it is going on anything can happen aduna from time to time angangi issue se admission se lakpa taraga concern school dugi administration na moigi custody da school textbook se provide tawningai leitaba taradi they can still approach us aduka we are still ready and hojik su full subject ki issue se phangdaba amani kharadi khoisu pawdi phangi asigi matang sida koina concern authority da se khoi thagangai gi in process da lai hain thamjaningi aduna any issue se akoi ngonda yohon birau from timely akoi na su akoi gi best level da solve tawngai tawjage hain ai si thamjaningi